No, stop it, man. I saw it first.
My lord.
Nah, back off, man.
Yeah. First time I saw you, I knew I had to have you. Don't mean no one night stand. Gotta find a way to be a man. It's something about the way you turned and looked at me. Your smile, it turned me on and set my mind at ease. I'm trying hard not to stare. Don't wanna look thirsty. Just trying to play it cool. Gotta show you that I'm worthy. You walked in on the air and seemed to leave this room. I just had to find a way to get next to you. I'm here to testify. Give me a chance, I'm satisfied. Captivate your heart and I'll blow your mind. Don't wanna pass me up cause I'm one of a kind. Eyes up, checking me out. Trying to figure out what I'm all about. Wondering if my love will make you scream and shout. If I don't at first, I'm gonna figure it out. Wolves howling at the moon, peacocking acting like a fool. I'm bothered as he sit through all the nonsense they throw at you. That type of thing don't interest me when it comes to you. I can't wait to show you that my love is true. Don't wanna miss my chance. Would you mind if I took your hand? Out on the floor, baby, let's dance. Extended cut, DJ, make it laugh. We're the only ones in here with soul to this groove. Intoxicated by the way our bodies move. Hey, testify. Hey, chance I'm satisfied. Hey, out and I'll blow your mind. Don't wanna pass me up cause I'm one of a kind. So, checking me out, trying to figure out what I'm all about. Come on, if my love will make you scream and shout. If I don't at first, I'm gonna figure it out. Hey, testify. Hey, chance I'm satisfied.
Hey, what up, say?
This that shit to make them all go dummy. Now I got bready, I want something from me. Showing like pose, man, I told them that it's money. And I own my own bars, just like it's always sunny. Ugh, thought she said something to me. We were never friends, told them I am not your buddy. Now they all call, I got some buzz like honey. Then they check the Spotify and they looking at me funny. I don't blame you, dog, that's how this shit goes. Same two paths, we just pick different roads. Glue on the safe, I just stuck to the code. Now they tell me that I'm driven, bro, I already drove. So diverse, got too many flows. Checks coming in, got too many O's. Remember in the past, had too many lows. Now when I look around, got too many bros. Don't like to spend it, I told them I'll save it. Now that I'm here, dog, I seen it, they hate it. I'm making hits like I'm running those bases. And they taking shots, bro, I know that they faded. This that shit to make them all go dummy. Now I got bready, I want something from me. Showing like pros, man, I told them that it's money. And I own my own bars, just like it's always sunny. Ugh, thought she said something to me. We were never friends, told them I am not your buddy. Now they all call, I got some buzz like honey. Then they check the Spotify and they looking at me funny.
Took my car and drove to the dark. I thought come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free. Hey.
Move, move, body, move, move your body, till you move, move, body, move, move your body till you.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know this game, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes the drop. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
Move, move, body, move, move your body till you move, move, body.